want to get it more quickly, don't try and send them anywhere. Just open the energy. So when I'm doing a wave, the usual thing is I'm waving out. But if I open the energy up and I'm not really giving a direction, you give the direction on the opening, then you'll use less wave, because a natural thing is to extend the mind, and that's what we don't want to do. We want to expand the mind from the center of tension in our partner. So I want to go inside you, feel you, and then open the energy.
So it's always better to just expand the mind rather than trying to direct it behind?
For the field effect. Yeah. Because we got a habit of the wave, and we live in linear space, so that's always going to be there, but we want to start doing expand energy over there.
I see.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.